Now, your Storm Team 18 forecast on News 18.
All right, starting off with tonight, we do expect those temperatures to be dropping down to the upper 40s, looking at those storm chances in the forecast as we head towards tomorrow morning. So looking at that being the possibility with the storm chances in and out of our area throughout the night. But overnight, though, temperatures will be a bit mild, 50 to 54 degrees by tomorrow morning. So a fairly mild start to your Friday, and for Friday itself, looking at a stormy morning, but after that, temperatures warming up quite nicely, reaching the upper 70s by tomorrow afternoon with those windy conditions, but with lots of sunshine in place. So looking at a great end to your week, with lots of sunshine for your Friday afternoon. But looking at those temperatures there, looking at 73 to 77 degrees, so quite a warm afternoon for your Friday. So a great day to go outside and enjoy the awesome weather, because come Saturday, looking at a couple isolated storms in the forecast, but not looking at all the washout, just a couple storms, mainly during the peak heating of the day when temperatures do reach the 70s, and do expect temperatures to hold on to the 60s even after that rain chance early on in the day, and then a couple more showers as we head towards Saturday night. But nonetheless, temperatures reaching the upper 60s to lower 70s as we head throughout your day on your Saturday. But in terms of tonight, though, back to that storm threat, we do have a marginal risk for severe weather, mainly for just west of Warren County pointing westward. So a good chunk of the area just to remove that thunderstorm threat for tonight, but looking at just a small chance of a strong storm mainly from Warren County pointing right back into Illinois. But again, looking at those overnight hours though, with futurecast expecting those cloudy skies, maybe a couple spots of some drizzle overnight into very early Friday morning. But then by 1 o'clock, it'll be replaced by some widespread showers and storms moving in here by 1 o'clock Friday morning and becoming widespread through about 5 o'clock in the morning. Looking at that line of some showers and storms pivoting mainly northeastwards as that warm front slowly lifts up to our north. And once it does, expecting some clearing to take place by Friday afternoon, looking at lots of sunshine eventually as we head towards the peak heating part of the day, which will allow those temperatures to again warm up quite nicely as we head into your Friday afternoon. For Saturday, looking at a couple of those isolated storms again on the map as we head throughout your day, but the big story will be Sunday. As with Sunday, looking at two potential rounds of storms, the first round in the morning hours, and then watching that second round of storms coming in during the late afternoon into the evening hours. Maybe a line of storms coming in here, maybe perhaps a squall line potentially, but as right now, looking at that being a possibility of that line of storms coming in here during the latter part of the day, which will allow temperatures to warm up nicely, but again, that will not be good, especially with that severe threat coming in. And speaking of that severe threat, that's in place from Indiana down towards Texas. Slight risk for severe weather that day, and behind that, looking at cooler conditions as we head towards Monday, looking at temperatures back to 54 after 3 days in the 70s, and then temperatures warming up to 70 next Wednesday with a chance of storms once again.